nang balik ko. Pintip lama.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Lempung Sok Chon Kekang. Lempung Sok Chon Kekang is also one of the traditional dance of Carbis related to Harvesting Festival. And this dance is also called the Bamboo Dance. And the dancing folk move by stepping alternatively in and across the pairs of horizontal bamboos. Ladies and gentlemen, there is also another dance which is called Nimso Kirong. Nimso Kirong is also one of the traditional dance related to one of the dinner ceremony, and it is a ritual and recital dance. And Nimso Kirong is presented during the Chomangkan Festival. Chomangkan Festival is held in honor of family members who pass away, and it is somewhat like a bidding farewell to their spirit prior to their departure from this earthly world to their permanent abode of rest. Well, it is a joyous and festive celebration of young boys and girls, men and women of the same localities as well. Well, the word Nimso means maiden, and Kirong means picking up maiden for dance. And there is also another dance which is called Ritnong Chingdikekan. Ritnong Chingdikekan is also one of the traditional dance of Carbis related to harvesting session. And Ritnong Chingdikekan demonstrates various stages of the process of cultivation, right from the sowing sheets to the reaping of the crops. Ladies and gentlemen, music plays an important role in Karbi people's life. And there are different songs for different occasions. Also, Kapadok Alun is a lullaby consisting of 3 segments, which Tuwa A-A-A, Aladung Aladung, and Kurididi Alun. And also Kapadok Alun, Tuwa A-A-A, is sung by a female singer. And the song is similar as there is also another song which is called Ovi Alun. Ovi Alun is also known as Bong Oi Alun. Well, some of the Bong Oi are Bong Oi near Tampi, Bong Oi near Lure, Bong Oi near Wansan, so on. O Bong Oi near Angrong Ne thare po sing lo một thằng tháng mà ti cho lẽ chính hồi nàng cô đông apor non malong nghe trong về chín khan lạc ông bông càng hòn sen về ôi đi bông ta bộ sinh kren mati jong nang vang vek ngon ô bông ra ý ngon trong hồ bồ đế tha về bồ sen lòng kasi to na tung na itong ikan tekon ng bom laki lempung sok cho na kikan lasi putot pa sini tuwa tot kaya puno hala tuwaran na baik kipasang pubuan lasi masap sila tuwaran bong pasang sigadra abay pasang jefang sikat sinila lasi hempung mukrang rong kang tim jesong asong pen non paklang pambo laki lempung sok cho na kikan
Dari ini fal kilo dega. Ada aksi lain.
Thank you.